Welcome to the Stoic Quotient. Today we are sharing with you 5 Stoic techniques to master your emotions at work and transform your career. Have you ever had one of those days at work where emotions completely took over? A stressful meeting leaves you fuming, criticism from your boss ruins your day, or anxiety keeps you awake at night replaying conversations over and over in your mind. Imagine instead having the power to remain calm, confident and clear-headed, no matter what happens at work. Imagine becoming someone who doesn't get shaken by setbacks, someone who handles conflict gracefully, makes decisions confidently, and leaves work energized instead of drained. Today I'm giving you exactly that power. I'm going to share 5 life-changing Stoic techniques you can immediately apply to master your emotions at work and transform not just your career, but your entire life. Picture this. Your manager sends you a blunt email criticizing your recent performance. Your first instinct is to lash back or defend yourself furiously. Your heart races, and anger clouds your mind. This is your pivotal moment, your opportunity to practice Stoicism's powerful pause. Instead of reacting immediately, take a deliberate breath. Create a mental buffer zone between the trigger and your reaction. Ask yourself calmly, what am I feeling right now? Why is this triggering me? Is this reaction serving me or sabotaging me? By doing this, you activate your rational mind, taking control away from your emotional impulse. You might discover the situation isn't personal at all. Your manager might simply be trying to guide you, not hurt you. This pause allows clarity to replace chaos, giving you space to choose a thoughtful response rather than reacting blindly. Practice it often, and soon this will become second nature. How many times have you felt helpless, worrying about promotions, office politics, or what co-workers think about you? Stoicism offers a radical yet simple tool called the dichotomy of control, separating things into 2 clear categories. What you can control: your effort, attitude, response, and actions. What you cannot control: others' opinions, decisions on management, market fluctuations. Every time stress arises, pause and ask yourself, is this within my direct control? If yes, immediately take proactive action. If not, consciously let it go and redirect your energy to something you can influence. Doing this repeatedly trains your mind to instinctively focus on the controllable, freeing you from emotional drain and empowering you with genuine confidence. Imagine you've spent weeks on a project, only to have it criticized heavily in a meeting. Naturally, you feel embarrassment, frustration, or even shame. But here was the truth the Stoics knew deeply. Our suffering is mostly caused by our interpretation of events, not the events themselves. Instead of dwelling on failure, reframe it as feedback. Change your internal dialogue from, I'm incompetent, to, I have a clear path to improve. Everyone hates my work, to, I've learned valuable insights. By training yourself to habitually reframe difficult moments, you create resilience, replacing pain with growth. Over time, this simple shift will significantly reduce your emotional distress and amplify your professional growth. This Stoic practice may seem counterintuitive, but it's incredibly powerful. Regularly visualize potential setbacks or challenges, such as losing your job, missing a crucial opportunity, or receiving critical feedback. Initially, this might sound uncomfortable, but here's the secret. Mentally rehearsing tough situations builds emotional strength and resilience. When real challenges arise, your mind doesn't panic. You've prepared for this scenario. You remain calm, focused, and ready to adapt. Imagine the immense freedom this gives you at work. You become fearless in the face of uncertainty because you've already faced it in your mind. This Stoic exercise makes you stronger than any challenge you encounter. Of all the Stoic techniques, gratitude might be the simplest yet most transformative. Each morning before work or each evening after work, it takes just 2 minutes to reflect on 3 specific things you're grateful for related to your professional life. For example, a colleague who supported you, a new skill you're developing, a tough situation you successfully navigated. This isn't just good advice, this practice changes your brain. Gratitude rewires your mindset, increasing optimism and reducing negative emotional reactions over time. You'll find yourself naturally becoming calmer, more compassionate, and far more satisfied with your job. Gratitude reminds you daily of the purpose behind your work, helping you stay balanced even in challenging times. Mastering your emotions at work isn't about becoming emotionless, it's about choosing how you respond, becoming the master of your own mind and heart. Ask yourself right now, which of these 5 Stoic techniques will you practice immediately? Imagine the difference it could make not only professionally but personally too. Imagine feeling empowered, confident, resilient, and deeply calm regardless of what happens around you. I challenge you today to put just one of these techniques into action, starting immediately. Drop a comment below telling me exactly how you'll begin, and let's inspire each other to grow. And if you find this valuable, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this message with someone who needs it. Remember, your emotions don't control you, you control them. Thanks for watching the Stoic Quotient. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mindful insights.